Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use Tinder, covering everything you need to know as a complete beginner. This process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, first things first, your profile is the most important part of Tinder, as a good profile gets more matches. Now let's start by opening the application and going to the profile section. So now first, just simply tap on the profile, which is usually at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the pencil icon or the Edit Profile button to start making changes. Now, the most important part is your photos. So tap on the plus icon to add several clear images of yourself. Your first photo is the main one, so make it your best one. So let's say, for example, I want to keep this as my first photo. Hold and drag it to the very first position, like this. So take good photos and upload them right over here.
Now to upload them all, click on the plus option on each photo. Then it'll take you to a section where you can choose if you want to use AI to quickly find a photo or upload photos directly from your gallery. And if you want to upload photos from gallery, choose the second option. Now just simply scroll down and you should find a page called About Me. So in this section, write a short but interesting bio. And this is where you will need to show your personality. So just simply click on the About Me section and type whatever you want to type. And then, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will have the section where you can add your interests, like your Instagram or Spotify, and other things you like, stuff like that. So if you click on this menu, you can see there are a lot of things that you can add. And I've already added some things that I like. So you simply choose whatever you want, and then all you have to do is click on Done at the very top right. Now remember, you can only add up to 10 things, which you can see at the very top right below the Done option. So once that is done, the important part of your profile has been covered. You can click on the preview to see how it'll look, as you can see right over here. Now go back to the Edit section, and if you scroll down a little bit more, you will be able to add more things, which you can see right over here. Now it's totally up to you if you want to do it or not, but if you complete all the things over here, your profile will stand out even more in the Tinder algorithm. So make sure to fill all the details over here. Now with your profile set up, let's tell Tinder who you are interested in meeting. From your profile page, you need to go to the main menu settings. To do that, just simply come back to this page and click on the gear option at the very top right corner.
And then in the settings, just simply scroll down to the discovery section. Over here, you can set the slider to maximum distance, which you can see right over here. And after that, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will be able to set your age range to your preference, which you can see right over here. And then once you have set these, Tinder will know who to show you. And now after that, let's get to the fun part. So now for the main part, you have to come to the main screen, which is represented by the flame icon at the bottom left corner. Now the controls for this application are extremely simple. To show you are not interested, you can either tap the X option, or more commonly, you can swipe the profile to the left. That means you're saying you are not interested, which you can see right over here.
Now, if you're interested in someone, you can tap on the green heart option at the very bottom or swipe to the right. That means you are interested. Now, let's say you really like someone and want them to know it, you can tap on the blue star button or swipe up on their profile like this. So this will give them a super like. So click on it, and then you will be able to see this page over here. And so in order to give super likes, you might have to pay a little bit, as you can see right over here, because it only comes with memberships. So if you're using the free account, you will not be able to give super likes from the very start.
So moving on, when you like someone who has already liked you back, you will get a match. And a screen pop-up will appear in front of you, celebrating that it's a match. And that person will be added to your chat list, which is right over here, as you can see. So once you have a match, you can start the conversation. Now, to see all your matches and conversations, simply go to this chat option. This will show you a list of all your current matches at the very top, and just tap on the profile to open the chat window. Then type your message, and then hit send, just like any other social media application. So that's it. You now know the complete basics of using Tinder, from setting up your profile and preferences to swiping and messaging your matches. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.